Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you. This time I'm going to show you how you can find out if a file that you downloaded has a virus or not. First of all, when you're downloading a file, there is such thing as real-time protection with almost every single antivirus product out there. So it will check files as they're being copied and pasted from one place to another, or especially as you're downloading the file. But what if it didn't quite pick that up during that live scan? You can manually do that a couple of ways. So we get a file on our computer that we downloaded and it didn't pick up a virus, so we want to check that out. So if you right click on it, I've got Windows 11 here, so I have to click on show more options at the bottom. Then it gives me everything here, which if you're on Windows 10 it will show everything. You'll see an option here to scan the selected item or scan the selected file for viruses, depending on the wording on the antivirus product that you have installed. With me, I've got Avast, so this is the wording it uses. So I just click on that, and it immediately pops up in the bottom right of my screen saying scan from the Windows Explorer is finished and no issues were found. So that's just one antivirus product that you have on your computer, and you don't want to have multiple antivirus products. You can certainly have an antivirus and anti-malware, but a lot of them now are crossing each other, so you don't want to really have one cancel out the other one thinking that you've got extra protection when really now you cancel each other out and basically have no protection. So there's a web-based form. If we go to virustotal.com, we visited this in a previous video where we were scanning websites, but here we want to go to scan a file, and that's what it defaults to here, so you can go to choose the file. So I got my file here, I'm going to upload that, and it starts scanning through the file, and I've already scanned this, so it came up super fast. And you can see that it's checked against 66 different antivirus databases. And it shows here I got the Avast one, which I had, and it's undetected. And there's many on here that you may notice that are familiar names. And you can scroll through the list and you'll see there's McAfee is a big name here, as is Malwarebytes. Then we got Symantec, which is Norton. And none of them are detecting anything here. But at the very top it shows one that found it as malicious. This one, I personally am not familiar with this one, but they apparently are finding some malicious activity with this particular file. So if you want, you can go into the details and read a bit more technical jargon on this, which for the most part most people won't understand anyway. But if you know that this is a safe, secure file that you got from a safe, known source, then if it's someone you can talk to, you might want to call them and ask them about that. And if it's a company, you can actually report it to them and tell them that it's picking this up as a virus on here and you're concerned about it, and let them do the work for you and sort it out. What they can do is report that issue to the antivirus companies so that they can detect that as a false positive, which is another video that I'll have coming out to you. So anyway, that's two quick ways that you can check a file that you downloaded for any viruses. And if you found the video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.